In this video, we'll show you how to reduce the size of images in your Excel files. It includes two different ways to get this done. First, we'll use the compressed pictures feature inside PowerPoint, and then we'll show you the quick and easy route to a smaller file with a dedicated Excel file compressor. As you can see here, the media folder of my Excel file is the largest contributor to the file size. If you haven't already seen the first in our video series, Why is my Excel file big?, I recommend you do so because it will show you how to get this information. A link for that video is in the description below. Now let's have a look at the compressed pictures feature in Excel. Now I'm going to work on a copy of the file, and that's just so that we can see the file size differences at the end. If I open the file in Excel, you can see that this file has many pictures inside it. And what we need to do to use the compressed pictures feature is to just click on any image in your file, and then we're going to go to the picture format tab up here. In the adjust category, you can see the compressed pictures feature. If we click on that, you can see that there are a bunch of options. Now we need to uncheck this first option because we want to compress all of the images in the file. If you're happy that your images don't need to be further edited, then I would leave delete cropped areas of pictures enabled. Now for resolution, I recommend using web. This offers the best trade-off of reduction in image size while not affecting the quality. So if we hit OK, Excel will go through and compress all those pictures. If we then hit save, we can see the resulting file here. You can see that it's brought it down to 788 kilobytes in size. Now that's a pretty good result. If you want to avoid using 7-zip to check folder sizes, then our Excel compressor, NXPowerLite Desktop, makes it simple. You just feed it your file and it figures out how to compress it automatically. It also does multiple files and multiple formats. Check out the link in the description below. So once the files are loaded, all you need to do is hit the Optimize button. It can take a little time to compress your files. Larger files usually take a lot longer. As you can see, though, the results are pretty impressive. And with NXPowerLite, you can use this clean and simple process to compress your PDF, Word and PowerPoint files too. So if you knew that images were the cause of large file size, we've just shown you two ways that you can reduce that. We'd love to hear your comments and feedback, so please reply in the comments below. See you on the next video.